another star orbiting our sun. It is speculated that the star has an elliptical orbit that pulls down comets from the Oort cloud. This could explain why there are sometimes a large number of comets in the solar system. The star, if it exists, is called Nemesis. Nemesis may have caused mass extinctions. Data concerning the statistical periodicity of mass extinctions suggests extinction events happen every 26 million years. This may be due to the periodical proximity of the sibling star of our Sun. Its adversary, its nemesis. 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 Nemesis.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5.